in my opinion, better than pork spare ribs. Meaty beef short ribs. Let's get started. I've got 3 prime beef short ribs here today. Total weight of the 3 combined is just slightly over 2 pounds. Let's make a barbecue rub. 2 tablespoons kosher salt, 1 1/3 tablespoons black pepper, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon chipotle dried chili powder. Just put a lid on this little bowl and shake it up so we get it all mixed in. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Now for my binder today, just a little yellow mustard. Right, just like a couple squeezes on each one should be more than sufficient. Just want this because we want that seasoning to stick to it really nicely. You can see it just doesn't take much. And I like using mustard with beef as a binder. There we have it. Now we just want to sprinkle that rub, seasoning, whatever you want to call it, over these short ribs. Make sure you get all sides. We're going to have plenty, so you don't have to, worry about, not, what am I trying to say? You don't have to worry about running out, so I would go kind of heavy. These are pretty thick. They're over 1 inch thick. Make sure you get the ends of these guys. And I'm going to sprinkle the tops as well. Right? Now we're going to let them sit here while we get our grill ready. Our grill is up to temp. I've got a couple of pieces of hickory I'm going to drop down in here. Put the plate setter in. Get our grill grate in here. Get these over there. Now just put our beef short ribs in here. And let the fun begin. You can see this grill is all dialed in. We're right around that 250 degree F mark. I expect this cook to take 5 to 6 hours. So we're just going to watch the rain here in Florida. Hey, it's been about 1.5 hours. I'm going to spritz these ribs. Got a little over 4 ounces of water. Now I'm adding an equal part of apple cider vinegar. And ideally, you want a spray bottle, but I can't find mine. Spritz these up a little bit. Squeeze the cider vinegar and the water mixture. This will help keep them moist. It'll add a little flavor with that apple cider vinegar. Now we're going to spritz these ribs about every hour and 15 minutes to hour and a half. Get the lid back down and let them keep smoking. It's been 3 hours. It's time to spritz these ribs again. There's what our ribs are looking like, those beef short ribs. And this collar is starting to really look good. Just going to turn this guy around. Put just a little bit more on this one. Get her lid back down. I've got 2/3 of a cup no sugar added ketchup, tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We've got soy sauce. That is 1.5 tablespoons, 1/4 cup of bourbon, and 1/4 cup apple cider. Then lastly, we've got some yellow mustard here. This is 2 tablespoons for this barbecue sauce. Now let's get this over to our grill. Get her on here, get the lid down. Now we're going to glaze it with that barbecue sauce we made. They're not done yet. Glaze these guys up real good each side. Got a smoke roaring for us. We're going to get all these, they're getting tender. It's about to come off that bone. I'm guessing maybe 30 more minutes. We'll check them in 30 minutes and see if they're ready. Let me get our lid back down. Total cook time today, 5.5 hours. At 5 hours, we put that sauce on. Let's go have a look. What you're looking for here is, see how that goes in? Comes out like butter. That's exactly what you're looking for. The temperature is not so important. It's going to be around 200, 205. Look at that. You see how it just comes in? Let's get them off here. Get these bad boys off of here. Ribs been resting here about 10 minutes. They just got a beautiful bark. Look how that falls apart. Oh my gosh. Look, this is a butter knife. You see how that just falls apart? That's exactly what you're looking for in beef ribs. Just that incredible fall apart. Got that great bark on the outside. Look at that. Got the juice. Look how juicy those ribs are. Look at that. I don't even need to have the butter knife. That fork just tears it right off. Let's have a taste. Here we go. You get the beefy flavor, right? You get a little spice from the paprika and the chipotle seasoning we put on there. Super, super moist. I got 2 more beef rib videos right down below.